Well, hello everyone. Today's topic is how to connect your Elementor cloud website to a custom domain. Now, Elementor, I've had a struggle being able to do this. In my 22 years of web development, this was a pain point for me. Now, I have contacted Elementor and I hope that this problem that I have had gets remedied soon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you behind the scenes of when you log into a cloud hosting account and you are ready to capture the IP addresses or the name server addresses in order to connect to Namecheap or whatever other domain name hosting you have. So I'm going to go to the back end of Elementor Cloud. Now, what you see on the screen, I'm going to put a circle here, and I'm actually going to, your DNS records in a data center in Belgium, you have only one listed A record. And what do you have right here but a copy button? That doesn't help. You need two records, especially for Namecheap. So we need to figure out how to get those two IP addresses. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to put the address to this article in the description down below, but the Elementor article here is not explicit to these two addresses that you need. So I'm going to scroll down here. They send you this article all the time. I was on chat with Elementor. Love you, Elementor, but y'all need to fix this, and I hope it's in the fixing process. We scroll down the article. You see images, again, images that say there's only one IP address. You keep scrolling down, blah, 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 keep on going. Right here, adding an A record. An A record, blah, blah, blah. Look again, they only list one IP address. They list in this image one IP address. Well, Namecheap takes two. If we scroll down, here's the information you need. The two IP addresses right here. There is a difference in the number 137 and 138. These are the two addresses you need, and they are listed in this article, but unless you have eagle eyes, you are going to miss these two numbers in this article. It should be great big huge. There should be a title that says, here are the two IP addresses for your domain names, but no. So I'm just letting you know where this is in this article of adding an A record and the very important two IP addresses, which are camouflaged and very unimportant, but they are important in this article to be seen. Now, what I have asked Elementor, and maybe at some point in time it'll show up, that those two records show up here in your managed domain of your cloud account. I am hoping against all hope that they put both records in here at some point in time. So that's about all I have to share with you today in a huge pain point that I had, and I was missing those IP addresses in the article because they're just very nonchalantly placed in a paragraph where you can miss them.